Hey everyone! Welcome back to another English lesson. Today we're going to have so much fun because we're talking about pets. Yay! Do you have a pet? Maybe a dog, a cat, a rabbit, or even a tiny turtle. In the USA, many people love pets. They are part of the family. We love them, play with them, and sometimes even talk to them like friends. So today, we'll learn how to talk about pets in English using simple, natural sentences. Let's go. This morning, I went for a walk in the park near my home. The sun was shining, the air felt fresh, and I saw so many people walking with their pets. It was such a nice scene. A lady was playing fetch with her dog. She threw a ball, and the dog ran so fast to catch it. Wow! That dog was full of energy. I smiled and said, "Your dog looks so happy." She laughed and said, "Yeah, he loves to play." Then I said, "What's his name?" She replied, "Buddy." Ah, I love that name. Simple and friendly. That's when I thought, this is a great way to practice English. Just simple sentences like, "What's your dog's name?" "How old is he?" "He's so cute." "I have a cat at home." Easy, right? You can say these anytime when you meet someone with a pet. After walking for a while, I went to a small pet store. There were birds singing, kittens sleeping, and even a turtle moving slowly in a tank. So peaceful. I talked to the shop owner and said, "Hi, I'm looking for a toy for my cat." She smiled and said, "Sure. Does your cat like to chase things?" I said, "Oh yes, she loves chasing everything, even my socks." She gave me a small toy mouse, and I said, "Yeah, that's perfect. How much is it?" She said, $5. So I said, "Okay, I'll take 2. My cat breaks toys so fast." We both laughed, and I paid for the toys. As I walked out, I thought, wow, that was such a nice short conversation. And I used only easy English. Let's practice together. Just listen and repeat after me. I have a dog. His name is Buddy. He is very friendly. He likes to play. Do you have a pet? Oh, wow, that sounds so good. You're doing great. Talking about pets is a wonderful way to make friends and practice English. People love sharing stories about their animals. You can say things like, "My cat sleeps all day." "My dog loves walks." "My fish is small but beautiful." "My rabbit eats a lot." Pets really make life more fun. You know, when you talk about pets, don't just use words, use feelings. When you see a cute puppy, say, "Oh, so cute." When you see a big dog, say, "Wow, he's huge." When you see a funny cat video, say, "That's so funny." See? These little sounds, aw, ah, yeah, ups, hehehe, make your English sound more real and natural. So, next time you meet someone with a pet, try it. Smile, say hello, ask about their animal. You might make a new friend, and your English will get better too. All right, I'll tell you what happened next with my cat at home in the next part. Oops, almost gave away the surprise. When I got home, my cat Luna was already waiting near the door. She always knows when I'm coming. I opened the door and said, "Hey, Luna, guess what? I got something for you." She looked at me with those big green eyes like she was saying, what is it? I took out the small toy mouse I bought at the pet store and waved it in front of her. "Oh, look, Luna, a new toy for you." For 1 second, she just stared at it. Then suddenly, boom,
She jumped and started chasing it around the living room. She was running so fast, her tail was like a flag. I threw the toy across the floor, and she ran after it, slid a little, and caught it under the couch. Oops, the toy disappeared. I bent down to get it and said, "Come on, Luna, where did you hide it this time?" She just sat there looking innocent. Cats are so funny. I finally found it and said, "Got it!" Then I laughed and said, "You're faster than me, Luna." After a while, she got tired and jumped on the couch next to me. I said softly, "Good girl." She started purring. That soft sound cats make when they're happy. I sat there watching her, thinking how much pets make life better. Even when I'm tired, Luna makes me smile. She doesn't talk, but somehow she understands. You know, pets don't care if your English is perfect or not. They just feel your love. That's why talking about them is such a good way to practice speaking. Let's try a few simple sentences together. I love my cat. She makes me happy. My dog is so funny. He likes to play fetch. My pet is part of my family. Yeah, that's amazing. Wow, you sound great. Now, let's make it even more real. Imagine you're telling your friend about your pet. Just say something like, "I have a dog. His name is Max. He's big and friendly." Or, "I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She likes to sleep on my laptop." That happens to me all the time. Sometimes I'm typing and Luna walks right across my keyboard and I say, "Luna, stop sending emails." See? You can make funny stories, simple conversations, and practice speaking every day. Talking about pets helps you learn feelings, descriptions, and daily English. You can say things like, "He's hungry." "She's sleepy." "He's scared." "She's excited." These words are useful for people and pets, so you're learning double. I remember one day, Luna knocked over my coffee. I said, "Oops, Luna, you made a mess." She just looked at me with her cute face like she was saying, "It wasn't me." I cleaned it up and said, "It's okay, Luna. I still love you." That's life with pets. Sometimes messy, sometimes noisy, but always full of love. So true. Now, let's take one last practice together. Repeat after me. My pet makes me happy. I take care of my pet. I love playing with my pet. Pets are family. Beautiful. You're doing amazing. So, what about you? Do you have a pet? Tell me in the comments, what kind of pet do you have and what's their name? I'd love to know. Remember, learning English should feel like talking to a friend, relaxed, natural, and fun. Keep practicing every day, and soon you speak with confidence and joy. All right, my friends, that's all for today. I'm going to play with Luna now. She's looking at me like, "Come on, playtime." Thank you for watching. And don't forget, your English gets better every time you speak. See you in the next video. Yay!